Assalamu alaikum students. Today is lecture 9 of mathematics for class 9. So let's start exercise 5.3. Question number 1 is use remainder theorem to find the remainder. These questions are simple, so let's solve them. 3x cube minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6 is divided by x minus 2. So simply we will assume this x minus 2 is equal to 0 and we'll find out the value of x. And when we will assume x minus 2 is equal to 0, our value of x will be 2. So simply put this 2 in this polynomial 3x cube minus 10x square plus 13x minus 6. So let's see, p of 2 is equal to 3 into 2's cube minus 10 into 2's square plus 13 into 2 minus 6, and after solving this, adding and subtracting, I will get the remainder 4. Let's solve the second part. 4x cube minus 4x plus 3 is divided by 2x minus 1. Simply again we will take 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and we'll find the value of x as 1 over 2, and simply put this 1 over 2 in this polynomial 4x cube minus 4x plus 3. So we will get 4 into 1 over 2's cube minus 4 into 1 over 2 plus 3. After solving and adding these terms, I will get my 1 minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2, and my remainder will be 3 upon 2. Question number 2 is same as that of remainder theorem, but the difference here is we have to find the value of k. So if x plus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4kx minus 4k square, then find the value of k. So this is the factor x plus 2. We will simply assume this is equal to 0 and we will find the value of x is equal to minus 2. And when I will put minus 2 here in this polynomial x square minus 4kx minus 4k square, I will get 3 into minus 2 square minus 4k into minus 2 minus 4k square is equal to 0. I have written this polynomial equal to 0 because here he has asked to find the value of k. So 12 plus 8k minus 4k square. So here I will use midterm break technique, 3 plus 3k minus k square, and I will get the factors as 3 into 1 plus k minus k 1 plus k. 1 plus k is equal to 0 and 3 minus k is equal to 0. I will get the values of k as k is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to 3. Question number 3 is without actual long division determine factors. The question is without actual long division determine whether x minus 2 and x minus 3 are factors of this polynomial, which is x cube minus 12x square plus 44x minus 48. So simply one by one I will assume x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. X values will be 2 and x next value of x will be plus 3. I will put these values here one by one. So p of 2 is equal to 2's cube minus 12 into 2's square plus 44 into 2 minus 48, and after solving this I will get the answer 0. So this proves that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. After that I will put x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 3's cube plus 2 into 4's square plus 44 into 3 minus 48, and after adding and subtracting I will get 3, which is not equal to 0. So x minus 3 is not a factor of this polynomial. Same is the case with this question. Solve it and see what is your answer. Question number 9 is the expression ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a is exactly divisible x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the values of a and b. So here he has said that this x square minus 5x plus 6 is a factor of this. So this is quotient x square minus 5x plus 6, and this is as usual polynomial. So here I will factorize this x square minus 5x plus 6 by midterm break technique. X square minus 5x will be broken into minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Here I will get the factors x minus 3, minus 2 into x minus 3. Taking x minus 3 common, I will get x minus 3 and x minus 2. Now I will assume x minus 3 is equal to 0. I will put x is equal to 3. So here I have put p of 2 and p of x is exactly divisible by q of x. So q of x is exactly divisible by x minus 2 and x minus 3. I will put one by one x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So here p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2's cube minus 9 into 2's square plus b into 2 plus 3a is equal to 0. After solving this term I will get 11a plus 12b plus 11a plus 2b is equal to 36. Now I will put x is equal to 3. P of 3 is equal to a into 3's cube minus 3 into 3's square plus b into 3 plus 3a is equal to 0. And after adding and subtracting, I will get the answer 30a plus 3b is equal to 81. After taking 3's common and dividing that 3 by 81, I will get the answer 10a plus b is equal to 27. By multiplying equation 2, this equation 2, 10a plus b by 2, and subtract from equation 1, we get equation 1 is 11a plus 2b is equal to 36, and equation 2 is 12a plus 2b is equal to 54. After solving this, I will get minus 9a is equal to minus 18, and a's value will be 2. And after putting this a's value in any other equation, you can get the value of b. Here is the homework to be done on neat copies. Question number 1, part 3, 4, 5. Question number 2, part 2. Question number 3, part 2. And question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Thank you and have a nice day.